Welcome, my dear friends. My name is Yuri. Today we will do a live stream where I will show you best instruments which you can trade. Also, will answer on all your questions. Also, I will show you how our VIP wallets works and other different stuff. That's why right now you write into a chat about quality of the video, and what I do, I invite our people from Telegram channel. From this Telegram channel, by the way, if you are not here, you should join. A few seconds. We have started. I would write to all of them. We have started. Join. Gold, please. Gold, please. Yes, I'll show you gold. Friends, still I wait for your feedback about stream quality, and only after that I would start telling you about topics, about other stuff. I need your feedback about video and voice quality, please. Right now about that. For me, it would be clear signal that we can start our live stream. Today we would start from Bitcoin because I would like to share with you. Thank you, Grigor and brother. You're welcome, mate. I would start from Bitcoin today, but before I need to hear your feedback. Okay, everything good. Okay. After that, friends, write please where you from and what market do you trade. For me, it's interesting to know about you and what instruments for you would be better. That's why it's important that you would write to me your name, where you're from, what market you trade, and how long are you in trading. For example, Yuri, since March 2013 in trading, trade FX mostly. Would like to watch what will be with gold and EURUSD. That would be the best if you would write about you. In that way I would know who is here, and for me it would be easier to help you and send good and awesome stuff quality. Patrick, forex, all good, Yuri. Thank you my friends for your feedback. Also, those who, if someone would write time codes, I would be very glad. I would be very thankful if some of you would write time codes. Video good, sound good. Okay, good. I wait your feedbacks when you would write about yourself, as I told you. Your name, where you're from, what market you trade, and what instrument is the most interesting for you. Also, I ask you to smash like button and subscribe on our YouTube channel, because when you open it you would see a lot of lessons about, especially about key levels trading, and so soon we would add far more big amount of lessons. We have a plan record a course for beginners. That's why those of you who would be subscribed and would turn on notification, you will get all updates and notification about new lessons in the future. That's why just do it. I'm Vincent from South Africa, trade forex January 2020. Good. Nice to see you here, friends. I know that here many beginners, and I would like to remind to you that we have a free course for beginners. Here you should open this top link and you would find it here, free course for beginners, this workshop. Subscribe. For you, I create a course for you. It will be really best place where you can start. Why? Because you will get step-by-step plan, example on the strategy. Also that I show to people what to do to start at least saving your account. And a few seconds. As you can see, I wear this tool because it's cold outside, and we don't. Our heating didn't turn on. That's why, as you can see, I a little bit like in the winter. There is no t-shirt. There is no t-shirts or good jackets. Okay. Okay. Okay, my beautiful people. Okay, let's start, my beautiful people. Uh, good. I have Late from Hong Kong. Nice to see you. Jace from United States started in December. Uh, Raj from Australia, and I trade gold only because gold is real money. Raj, if you're a trader, you should not care about what you trade, because far more important to trade what can bring money to you. Sometimes, like on previous weeks, there were two situations where gold showed to us very good entries to according to my strategies. But in some cases, there could be weeks without trades, and you need to wait. I'm Nell from London. Michael, I'm from Nigeria. Nice to see you here. Patrick, Sam here. United States trade indexes and commodities. Yuri, I have gone through your course and it has been very much helpful. Small losses and bigger profits. Thank you. And as you see that course for free, we have a plan to make it like 10 USD, maybe in 1 week or 2 weeks. We will do it for 10 USD because we got a lot of feedbacks from people that it's really useful. And I think when people pay at least like 10 USD, I don't think it is big price, but people will like take care more about that. They would pay more attention about homework. I just looking, but your advice is more than money. My friends, my goal is to share wisdom to you that you will become a better trader. And you can ask your questions. Thank you for all your replies. What we would do? First, I will show you best entries. I will show you trading plans which I personally would like to trade so soon. After that, we will analyze instruments which you want to watch. That's why let's go. First, let's speak about Bitcoin. And main reason why I would like to speak about Bitcoin because first we send it to our VIP members in Discord, info about Bitcoin. Can you little explain CCA? Please tell me what does it mean CCA? Maybe like CCA communities. Because I'm not from, like, English is not my native, some words in trading I don't know in English. Please explain. I'm not native. English is my third language. Imagine third language. Okay, let's start. Right into a chat. Go and we go. Go, 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 go. Okay. First, my friends, about Bitcoin. Let's open Binance. It would be even better to watch Bitcoin. It is a first instrument which I have on the list, and I would like explain to you why I think so. I'm from Botswana. I would like to see Euro and British Pound play on this week. Yes, yes, that would be Euro and British Pound. After that, I promised you. Wait, first Bitcoin. Why I speak about Bitcoin first at this moment? Because it looks pretty nice. Take a look what happened with Bitcoin on previous week. After this range, after when price broke all of this range, take a look here. After when price broke all of this range accumulation, price started powerful uprise, as you can see here. And here was paranormal candle where volume increased. But still, I do believe that after this, there could be again a powerful re-high, and only after that it can show to us powerful and accurate entry point for a sell with a very low and predictable risk. Remember, at this moment, what's going on? Take a look on previous situation, which were with Bitcoin when it made some powerful move, like it was here. Powerful move, didn't do pull back, and like again, real low. The same way here, powerful candle, close at high, again, re-high. Even here, when price started uptrend, made re-high. Take a look, range, and after that again re-high. Even here, as you can see, powerful candle, stop, range, and after that again. I do believe that if at this moment Bitcoin would do something like this, would do again re-high, paranormal candle, About what is paranormal candle, you need to learn first what is ATR. About ATR, we have a lesson on our YouTube channel. That's why you should subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more information. Take a look here. At this 14K, I do believe that if there would be re-high with paranormal candle and volume will increase, it's important that volume would increase like here. After that, I think there would be a down drop to at least 12K, something like that. Why it's so important? Because there are a lot of stop losses of people who open sell. And when the price would make re-high, they would start closing their sell and it would be buy. And big guys will not let all people just make money. That's why after that there could be good drop. And remember, Bitcoin still in this upward, take a look on this upward channel. And technically Bitcoin can make, as you can see, in a few seconds, this line into this area nearly 15K. 15 like above 14K. I do believe if there would be paranormal candle, it is at this moment I expect that there could be a strategy which I teach all my people and my students who I have in Discord. Take a look, it is our VIP room in Discord. By the way, you can join that room. Link below this video, the link you can write to our team and ask about participation. As you can see, here is my best patterns, and here is one type of strategy which I call paranormal finish. As you can see, for example, like here on a gold price, when price increase its ATR and moves like here, take a look, this candle were 200% of ATR, or even here on Bitcoin, this candle were minus 45% of the move. Like this candle were 500% of ATR, and after that, as you can see, completely trend in different opposite situation. The same can happen on Bitcoin. If there would be a paranormal candle here, first breakout of that paranormal candle can create good and powerful down drop, at least to, my friends, it could be even to 10K, or even to be honest, if from that would be dropped to 5K, I would be happy. But will it happen? I don't know. But once more, that stuff can happen. Also, take a look at this moment, how price is going to do every high, how every low higher and higher. That's a beauty for you. It's example for your breakout strategy. As you can see, price exactly at level, bounce off. And at this moment, breakout of this can start a new uprise. You are here, you are like you saw how trend starts. And for many of you, my friends, I saved here on my TradingView page. On my TradingView page, there are links. You should watch these links because here for you it is a best example which you should watch. Where I told, as you can see, where I told October 2 that Bitcoin would start uptrend. You can learn the preconditions how it happened. For you, it would be the best example how you should trade breakout strategy. Okay, is it clear about Bitcoin? Because I think I told, I gave you maybe too much about Bitcoin. I hope it's okay. I hope you now understand what to do with Bitcoin. What's going on? Okay. Okay, good, my friends. Let's go to gold. Please write your feedback about Bitcoin, and after that, when I would see your feedbacks, I would tell you what we can do the next. A few seconds, some people wrote to me. Okay. My dear friends, I wait your feedbacks. Please write, is it clear about Bitcoin? Okay. About gold, let's do it in MT4 inside. I would like to share it with you. Okay, here. Where is gold? As you can see, we traded gold on Thursday. We opened on gold at this local level and took risk reward 125. Here I can share it with you even inside in our channel, inside in our Discord group, because you can see it here. A few seconds. Forex alerts. Where is it? Forex alerts on gold. Take a look here. Bam, bam, bam. Gold, take a look here. Gold, take risky buy. The same here. You can see all that stuff on gold. All entries which we do, we share with our VIP members. About gold, my friends, remember, situation, what's going on at this moment on gold. You would see that price at this moment in this range and this accumulation phase. As you can see, price in a range accumulation. Imagine if there would be price slowly will approach to this level 1930, and imagine if there would be breakout of this level, how many people who hold sell would start quitting, and those who trade breakout strategies, how many people would start trading breakout. Thank you, my friends, that you follow my trading view. Please share it with your friends. That would be the best thank you. And also, friends, if you think it is useful for you right now, smash like button. That's the best thank you, because I'm in a cold place and our heating still didn't turn on because there is no enough like winter. And I would like to ask you to give to send me your warm send love by likes and subscribe. Once more, about gold, you need to trade it at key levels, because only at key level you will have low predictable risk. Because imagine like it was here, when we open buy position on gold, our risk in that place were 30 pips, my friends. Here our risk was 30 pips, imagine 30 pips. And risk reward was 1, 2, 4. My risk here was on some account were 100 USD, on some account were 1000 USD, and take profit in 4 times bigger. Just imagine what you put in your risk, take profit in 4 times bigger. That's how you should work. And the same here, take a look. You need to use other key levels, because only at key level you will have low predictable risk. That's why till price inside if this, wait, it's the same like it was here. Take a look on this. Take a look on this trend line. Price were in this inside in this accumulation area. And what happened after breakout? Just seconds, I would open trading view because it doesn't look beautiful here. Daily. Take a look here. As you can see, gold love to do such thing very often. Range accumulation for many months. From February, March, April, May, and only in June price started uptrend. The same here, take a look. And after that, remember, if there would be same breakout, I do believe this one even more better and beautiful. Take a look. How price broke it, broke this accumulation, and what happened after that. As you can see, after that, powerful uptrend. Powerful uptrend. I think the same we have here. It looks very same. It looks very similar. If there would be same range, same breakout, there could be a good powerful uptrend. That's why wait for it. Don't hurry up at this moment. Just wait for it. What are your thoughts about gold, Bitcoin, and S&P correlation? My friend, at this moment, you can see that correlation a little bit different. Yes, they had correlation. Take a look here. Let's open all of them. Symbols, drawing crosshairs. Take a look. It is a gold. Gold. Let's open Bitcoin, BTC USDT, Bitcoin teaser, and let's open S&P 500 US 500 CFD. S&P US 500. Okay, on all of them we should open daily chart, or even weekly chart. I think correlation on weekly chart would be better and easier to watch. At this moment, as you can see, gold, okay, okay, sorry. Take a look gold. When gold were here and made this powerful down drop, Bitcoin didn't do it. Yes, Bitcoin dropped here. Take a look. When Bitcoin made this powerful relow here, when Bitcoin made this relow, the same relow were on S&P 500. I would say, as you can see, Bitcoin very close to S&P 500. It looks nearly the same. But last days, as you can see, we don't have that correlation, because the main problem that S&P 500 at this moment, election is coming. And because of that, there could be some places of uncertainty, because it nearly the same that like it was in election in 2016. I remember it because I was in trading, but I didn't have much experience like I have it right now. But I remember that many people told about Hillary, especially in my country. Some people thought, oh, okay, it would be good, that would be Hillary, and they told like Trump, a very bad person. By the way, I think he also did some good things for US citizens. And as you can see at this moment, that correlation doesn't work. I would say all of these markets, they have something in common. S&P, as you can see here, take a look how Bitcoin dropped down dramatically and S&P dropped down dramatically. Yes, they did it together, but in general, they when you trade, you need to take you need to pay attention separately what's going on, because take a look. S&P dropping down in a range. Bitcoin is going for re-high, and if re-high would happen, there could be powerful move for more than 14k. And gold, remember, gold play its own game. Gold at this moment in accumulation area. It goes accumulation area, and break out this accumulation area would start good trend on a gold. That's why gold don't care about other people. I think to close in the US election, also at 2000 before elections, the gold go up and then go down, will start 2000 January and then go start going up. About gold, it is a complicated question. Why? Because you always need to ask yourself why people buy some instrument and when they sell, especially in institutional. Because in most cases, gold buy very often buy when people buy stocks for hedge. Also, gold buy mostly by central banks, and in area like of center of uncertainty in a world like we have right now, gold buy. About Bitcoin, Bitcoin also, as you can see, it is a hedge instrument, but Bitcoin drop down also like stocks drop down. What are your thoughts about gold, Bitcoin? Okay. Hello, Yuri. My question about your gold's level. Why you put a downtrend line from price point 2000 but not from the very high? Apologize for mistyping in previous message. I meant gold level. I told you here I built... You need to understand that every person will build different trend lines. I build trend lines which I see. Could you change catch to candles, please? Will silver follow gold for upside now? Silver analysis, please. About silver, if you would be inside in our Discord VIP channel, you would get that signal on gold and silver trading plan, like I record it nearly every day. About gold and silver, a few seconds. As you can see, gold in this accumulation area and silver. What silver do? Yep, silver also inside in this accumulation area. And what can happen with silver if it will slowly approach to this level like gold and will break it? Remember, there always would be areas at which many people set their stop losses. And imagine how many people are inside here. And where is their stop losses? Yes, their stop losses mostly would be above this. And break out of that can make good and powerful up move. I wait. If there would be good and beautiful accumulation of energy before this level, I would open by entry. For me, it would be really easy to trade it. Friends, all you need to have most touches on your trend line to get best trend lines. Yes. British pound, please. Okay. Okay. Go mentioned correction to this level. Let's do about British pound. About British pound, as you can see, it's bounced off from this level. Take a look how it bounced off beautifully from this level. My friend, you need to understand, when you open a trade here, it is inside. There is no powerful level. Like we have this level, but who would set stop losses here? Who would quit here? About 1.30, like that level, price didn't support so much that level. I prefer skip because it is not clear. I showed for you good places on Bitcoin. I showed to you good places on other instruments. My friend, at this moment, British pound not beautiful. I do not recommend you to trade it because, as you can see, it is the ranges dropping down. Who is a owner of this bell? Who is owner of this party? Like, I love to trade where I understand that there would be forces who will have more energy, who will be more powerful. And why I love to trade two types of strategies. It is a breakout, because when price a big period of time in a range, there are many people who open, sell and buy at the same time, a lot of people. And when price breaks that level, those who hold sell, they start quitting. And when you close your sell, you buy. And after that, it creates a move. And also a lot of people who trade breakout strategies, they buy. And when many people after that see that uptrend started, they also buy. The same way when we have another strategy, when I trade false breakout and price approach to some key level with more than 1 ATR. Because many people who open buy here, they would start closing because they would see that it's too much, they need to close. That's why I love to trade false breakout of key level and breakout. At this moment, we don't have first one and second one. That means here you can flip a coin. Because example for you, trade on gold. Here your risk low, your potential profit in 4 times bigger. You put 1,000 into risk and you can make in many times bigger. That's all. Thank you, Vincenzo. You're right. Gold, please. All you need is the most touches. Yes. Friends, please write your questions here, which you have at this moment the most. Also, I would like, please, a few seconds, wait, please. I would like to share with you my follow our YouTube page. Because a lot of useful lessons. Also, follow me on Instagram, where you can ask a personal question from me. I just sent link here, and you can write to me personally, and I would answer on all questions which you have privately for those who was on this webinar. Also, follow me on Telegram. Here we have Telegram channel. You will get updates, best ideas, trading plans, and all that stuff. Also, here is a forex broker which I personally use. Many of you always ask me about brokers, and also here you can write to us and ask about education and VIP signals and all of that stuff. Because I know that many of you are looking for education or VIP outlet, some room where you can become better. Right now, and my team will send you all info. And I promised you, if you would join our educational program, I can save you a few years and at least 20,000 USD, which you would save instead of blowing. Okay, thank you for that ad time. EURUSD. Okay, let's go to EURUSD. Let's go to EURUSD. As you can see, indexes is dropping down very much. Maybe some news release. At this moment, you would see correlation between S&P and Bitcoin. At this moment, it is the best time where you can see. Some of you, I remember, asked me about correlation between Bitcoin and S&P 500. And here you can watch. Take a look how S&P dropping and Bitcoin at this moment stand up. Bitcoin just bounced off from this level. Remember, if Bitcoin will not break it, there would be uprise. Only if Bitcoin would do something like this, forget about continue of up move. Only if Bitcoin would do something like this. Okay. EURUSD. Let's do EURUSD, my friends. Let's do EURUSD for you. EURUSD, 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 EURUSD. For EURUSD, we don't need volume because it is not proper volume. Okay, my beautiful people, EURUSD, as you can see, price broke up this key level, up, down, up, down. After that, as you can see, we have this upward channel. We have this upward channel. Take a look how price broke beautifully this upward channel. What can I tell you? You can try to open some entries from borders of this channel, because globally this picture is not beautiful, because if you take a look globally, price in these ranges, and we don't have clear player. What I mean by what a clear player? When you open a chart, if some of you follow me bigger period of time, friends, please write into a chat how long do you follow me, especially if you came here from TradingView. Please write into a chat. For me, it's interesting to see. If some of you remember June, when I told about EURUSD, how did you set that ATR indicator? My friend, we have two ATR indicators. First one, we build all of them. We customly build all of them for us, for our needs. Below this video, you can find links. You should write to my team and ask about you can buy it, or you can buy it if you want. For trade, for MT4, MT5, and TradingView, we have for free platforms. What is a clear player? It is when you see that price every low higher, 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 and you see that you have some level, and you see that price after is going to break out. After that, it's example for you of clear player. What does it mean? Why price creates such things? Price can create such things only in the cases of disbalance, when there are bigger amount of buyers and sellers. When there are buyers pressure, buyers always take volume from the market. And imagine if some big guys accumulated big position here with this average price, of course after that they would protect their of course after that they would protect their positions. Of course, after that they would move up. Friends, I asked about how long you follow me, because if you follow me from June, you saw when I told that EURUSD would rise up, and maybe I was only the one who told guys, forget about that shit about that EURUSD could do something else. Up, and only up. Because it was a clear player. At this moment, EURUSD is not a clear player, because we had this range. After this range, as you can see, price dropped down and failed. Imagine, many people, many invest banks, many people open a lot of position here. Some banks open sell, some banks open buy. They're always that situation. And those who open buy, take a look, those who open buy, what happened with them? They stop losses here. After that, some of them hold their positions, and what happened after that? When price came back, they closed their break-evens. There is no clear player here. I don't like to trade such stuff. That's why about EURUSD, wait. Only when there would be some beautiful level, I would share with you. Just follow my trading view. When I have beautiful pictures on EURUSD, I always share it. 2 months from trading you, 2 months from 1 month from trading you, Patrick. Okay. What about our USD looks like about to break out? Please analyze for us, Yuri. Yes, I will do it. 1 month. Okay. Okay, beautiful people for you, Australia and New Zealand. First, remember, when you build key levels, you should build many different key levels to see if price nearly some of them. I also love to build sometimes levels which are far level retest, which was many days before. As you can see, how price sometimes hits them beautifully. To be honest, I would like if the price would hit some of this level sharply with full ATR. Only in that case I would like to open buy. At this moment I do not recommend you to open any entry because, my friend, remember, when price moves such slowly, there could be a move for, as you can see, like here, for many weeks. In most cases, as you can see, price accelerate before change a trend. Even here, take a look, accelerate, pull back, range. Like, yes, price can change direction without acceleration, but for us it's not clear will it happen or not. Here market showed to you that okay, I took stop losses, we can change into another direction. Example for you, take a look how here price changing direction, accelerate. This candle, it was 298% of its ATR. Imagine 298% of its ATR, and after that, as you can see, uptrend. Yes, sometimes there would be exceptions like here, but best after a move, when price move in one direction many days in a row, and after that we see something like that, that means okay, it's over. Been following you since April 2020, Trading View and Telegram channel. Thank you. Did you share our Trading View? Did you share with other people our Telegram channel, Trading View page? For me, it's interesting to see. And my friends, and so soon, in few days, we will do a special promotion on Instagram where we would share VIP access to our VIP room and ATR indicators for MT4, MT5 and TradingView. Some of you always ask me, it would be only for those who would follow me on Instagram and would tag some people. So soon we will do promotion. That's why I recommend you to subscribe on my Telegram channel and Instagram page, and there you would get all that info. You would get all updates and you will get a notification when we would start it. If you don't have money for it, big chance that you would be those who would win. I shared with my friends. Thank you that you shared. That's the best thank you from your side. Okay, let's go to another instruments. Let's analyze pretty fast all major instruments because it took so much time. Thank you, my friends. Pleasure to see you. Okay, British pound I would skip because for me it's not clear. Yes, price can bounce off, but for me it's not clear where to set stop loss. And as you can see, ATR at this moment 63%. That means the possibility that price would hit 100% ATR and only after that would do a move. Like, I don't want to be inside of that volatility. Not clear. Gold clear 1930. If that would be slowly approach, we would open buy. Just wait next few days and wait, because still price inside there could be range. Only breakout of this border would be something clear. About silver, same 25, 22. Canadian tricky one. Canadian already rose up its ATR, as you can see. Canadian, if it will do today a re-high, you can try to open sell. It is a local level. It's important that it happened today. That's all. Because in global trend, as you can see, Canadian down. They're still down. We have global trend down. I would recommend you to look for a down entry, especially if there would be re-high with more than one ATR today, especially. Swiss franc in down channel, as you can see, in downward channel. Price didn't do real low, but I do believe that if there would be such trends, there could be continued down drop and real low. Just follow. New Zealand is not beautiful because New Zealand didn't show anything for us. It is just in the middle of this. Take a look on this global range. Price in the middle of this global range. I don't like to trade it. Australia a little bit different than other instruments because Australia, you can see that Australia broke all of this stuff. Australia looks like a gold, as you can see. Accumulate energy, and if break out we can try to open buy, but I am out. Japanese yen looks the most interesting beyond all the instruments. Why? Because if you take a look on Japanese yen globally, you would see that every high is lower, lower and lower. At this moment, remember what's going on with Japanese yen. It is a hedge instrument, and technically if there would be additional sharp move, there could be good sell entry, because as you can see globally it is down and election is coming. A lot of people can hold their money inside. Brent oil suck. I don't like it because as you can see price inside in this range, price made this trap, after that rose up. Like till price inside of this, I don't want to pay attention even to that instrument. The same with WTI, it is inside in this range. Take a look. Nothing beautiful. Price broke this squeezing. I don't want to be in. Euro British pound inside in this range. Take a look. There is no any entry. There is no any accurate level at which we can open a position. Just watch and that's all. US 500 price in this downward channel. Also about S&P, I would recommend to stay away for next till election. Why? Because just imagine Trump wake up, open a Twitter and would say, okay, let's send nuclear bomb on North Korea, or like Trump got COVID, or Biden's something with Biden. Like I joke, but my friends, I'm joking on it, but to be honest, sometimes I want to cry because of that, because they can make any statement and price could change dramatically into different situation. Okay, friends, please write into the chat, is it clear about major instruments, because as you can see I just analyzed you major instruments. Euro Japanese yen, as you can see inside till price inside, better to be out. Bitcoin at this moment, as you can see, Bitcoin is going for re-high, very close for re-high. If there would be re-high, take a look. Very beautiful, very beautiful. To our team, I wrote today about uprise once more. Start re-high of this, that could be very beautiful breakout. Take a look how beautifully price before breakout of this previous level. Take a look how it bounced off, and at this moment, as you can see, I do believe that if there would be a beautiful re-high, it should rise up pretty well, pretty much. Take a look. Is it beautiful? Friends, write into the chat, is it beautiful? Because sometimes I love, because I love markets so much, and sometimes I can just watch how price breaks some key level. I don't know, are you also like me? But about Bitcoin, take a look. Oh, Bitcoin broken key level. Okay. Just do it. Just do it. Baby, just do it. Friends, type into the chat your questions, because at this moment, as you can see, I pay attention to Bitcoin and what's going on. It is our beautiful instrument. Take a look. Okay. Yes, it's a breathtaking because at this moment, if there would be beautiful breakout, it can skyrocket. I love Bitcoin because of that. And at this moment, if breakout would happen, we can like to the moon. Like if some of you remember 2017, if you were in trading to the moon. Remember, always when you open a trade, you always need to have a stop loss because sometimes something could be wrong. What you should do, you always need to predict your losses because if you open buy at this moment for breakout, please set stop losses. For example, like this low, you can set stop loss here. If price would hit this, that means all this up situation would be killed. That's why always set stop losses. Sometimes price can look very good, but sometimes it can trick us. Don't believe anyone here in trading. Friends, type please into a chat your questions. That would be the best. Thank you from your side. Please type questions and instruments which you would like me to analyze. And many of you ask me about education and VIP alerts. What you can get. For example, those of you who trade crypto market, as you can see, we have forex and we have crypto alerts in our Discord. What you would do, you would get best alerts with good risk reward. As you can see here, okay, like today, take a look. Like today, we always send, as you can see, stop loss and take profit. Take profit in many times bigger. You can be part of this. Even Bitcoin, take a look, this one. As you can see, risk reward, 10% risk reward, stop loss, take profit. Want to move stop loss. Bitcoin, take a look when we open buy. You can be part of this. Take profits always in many times bigger, always. Trading plans, take a look like here, link, breakout. And we trade it on our real accounts. It's not like we only just send signals. We also trade it on our real accounts. Natural gas, please. Okay, my friend, I would check natural gas. Natural gas, I remember we spoke about natural gas with our members in Discord. I remember that stuff and we discussed it. It was many with our VIPs. It was many days ago. Okay, how to check? It was so many days ago. We discussed it, I remember. Because as you see, natural gas, what happened? We had this key level and take a look how price falls breakout, bounce off, and after breakout of this level started up move. Technically, take a look, it's bounce off again from this level, before this level. Everything will depends how price will react on this level. If that would be price slowly will approach to this level, breakout of this would be also beautiful uprise. Example for you, how price break a level, it was like here. We have powerful level. After that, take a look, every low, higher. After that, take a look, daily close exactly at level, and after breakout, it didn't came back. If that would be the same, there could be uprise on natural gas. Natural gas, my friend, I just did natural gas for you. Friends, what questions do you have? Please type into a chat. Friends, what questions do you have? Type into a chat. Also, once more, subscribe on our free course if you're just a beginner. A lot of reviews. I would not even speak about that reviews because, friends, For some of you, it would be a game changing. I remember when first few people after this free course wrote to me, Yuri, I stopped losing my money. I couldn't do it for 1 year with bunch of paid course, but only after your I learned how to trade today. Thank you. Do you use VWAP indicator? I use VWAP, I analyze by VWAP, but to be honest, key levels and VWAP they have a little bit different foundation. To be honest, I study VWAP. For me, it's interesting VWAP, but at this moment on FX, it's a little bit hard to use it. Okay, .USDT. Oh, .USDT. Take a look how it broke this beautiful key level. Take a look here. We had this key level, bounce off, and bounce off. Price broke this level. We even could use something like this. We could try to use even this one. As you can see, price broke this level, price broke this accumulation, price broke. You also can build something like this. If that would be pulled back to this area, you can try to open buy. Because if you would take a look, breakout of this started uptrend, because as you saw, even breakout of this started this uptrend. Because if you would take a look, let's open daily chart. To be honest, I don't know what type of coin it is, but first what I can see is that after IPO or ICO, you can see that price didn't fall down. It's really good. After that, take a look, price didn't do even a real low. It's also good and healthy. That means someone have interest in this. After take a look, after this accumulation, price started up more. Why it's so important? Because imagine those people who remember on a chart there always will be a lot of people who open sell and buy, and just imagine those who hold sell inside of this, what would happen with them when price broke it? Sellers would start quitting. When sellers quit, they buy. Also, for buyers who hold buy position inside, for them it's important to start a trend. And a lot of people who trade breakout strategies like I do, they also jump in because they see that party had started. And because of that, there could be a good and healthy move. Once more, if daily would close at high, pull back to this level would be a good place for buy. Make some payment plan for your course and indicator. Make some payment plan for your course and indicator. My friend, you can write now and ask my team. They would send you all the information about paid course and indicator. If you would join our VIP course, you would get all indicators for free. Yeah. Okay, my dear friends, I need to go. I think we should finish. I thank you for your time and that you are here. I thank you that you support me with your likes, share it with your people. I promise you that all the time I would do such analysis as much better as possible. I promise that we would do a lot of stuff for free for you that will help you become better. For those of you who is ready and want to become a better trader, create your strategy, your plan, you should join and write to us. I just send into a chat our Telegram and Facebook, and below this video there also would be our Telegram and Facebook. Write to us, because believe my friends, I know how to save you at least 3 years of your life and 20,000 of USD, because if you in trading more than 1 month, you know how it is losing, and you need a strategy, and I know how to give the strategy to you. Thank you for your time. Bye.